Vicky. Today, I'm represented for SQFlash team to introduce SSD and DRAM memory. First of all, SQFlash have two product lines. One is SSD and other one is DRAM memory. SSD we have 3D NAND, MLC, and SLC type. And DRAM memory we have unbuffered DIMM, ECC, and even include the high-end server DIMM. For the old series, all designed for the various application with the different form factor and wide temperature. You may say SQ team is a product offer for the SSD and DRAM, but instead of that, we will say SQ team products is the best partner for the total solution. Why do we say SQ team is a total solution provider? Here you can see we have different features here. Except the product label, technical service is the important part that we deliver to solve the technical issue and fulfill different kind of the customization request. Besides, SQ create our own software to help our user monitor the SSD healthy and prevent DRAM overheat problem occur. Because our product is not enough for the system integration in IoT markets. Nowadays, when we are in the IoT market, that you never miss the hot topic of security. SQFlash provides the complete security service, no matter hardware, software, or firmware. Even we have already invited third-party advanced security support. Based on these features, we believe reliable industrial-grade product and service that only can provide by SQ products. I'm here to share with you the successful stories. We win this project from our high-speed early access product with the longevity and technical service. The key we win this project is that we have the ruggedness design and thermal solution in the critical market. Here you can see this is our weapon. Ruggedness that we have in the critical environment, vibration and shock are always the upscale in user. They always face this problem. So, on-board solution DRAM is the only solution for customer. But right now, we have the ruggedness which is created in this kind of the market to solve the problem. Because it just follow the JEDEC standard DDR4. So it's easy to use because you don't need to change any motherboard spec. That you can see the golden finger pin define are all same, but we enlarge the PCB dimension. We increase the height for the 5mm. Then we create the mounting hole on this part. The mounting hole can help you to lock in the DRAM memory on the motherboard firmly. Except that, we also verify the mechanical shock test to get the certificate MIL standard. SQRAM always stand in front of the market to deliver the new spec as a high speed and high capacity. Compared to the current market speed, SQRAM provides 3200 MHz high speed in the market with a different form factor, including the server DIMM and the SODIMM, which are compatible with the AMD chipset. Besides, we also provide the extreme high capacity reach, 32 GB per SODIMM. Also support wide temperature, which is exclusive in the market. We believe these two series can optimize system performance. SQRAM provides a comprehensive product line, including a common spec, robust design, and a high-end early access product. No matter which type of the DRAM, we build SQRAM memory hardware material with the best quality of the Tier 1 IC chip and PCB. And all solutions are fixable, which can ensure for the project control and consistent quality track. Besides, Advantech also has the advanced service, such as the SPD secure and conformal coating customization that we can also support. Besides, we also deliver the independent software that we deliver by our own self to monitor the DRAM operating information. We have DRAM is not only DRAM. SQRAM is the helpful components to help the user to improve the system integration and optimize the performance. For system optimized, you never forget the key components, SSD. We have to say, SQFlash, we are the first one to provide a wide temperature 8 TB NVMe SSD in the market. As we all know, NVMe is the mainstream in future with the high performance. But on the other hand, NVMe also generates high temperature when operating. So to avoid the performance impact from the high temperature, we rely on Advantech mechanical resource to create the spatial housing to stabilize operating performance. Here you can see the unique heat spray heatsink, and we also use the flexible thermal grids, not only for the hardware, but also firmware is the important part to create the thermal solution action to stabilize the best performance. As the result, you can see the temperature obviously drops 30 degrees with the spatial housing. We will say the thermal solution does successfully solve the heat problem and help the user to have the high and stable performance. As mentioned before, NVMe is the high-performance SSD interface for the enterprise and data center applications. But to cope with the very diversified embedded board and the system design, which with the support different type of the SSD, we have developed a complete NVMe series product in the embedded market, including the popular SSD, no matter 2.5-inch or M.2 module. Even we have the SSD can install into the Wi-Fi M.2 socket. So system integrators can easily find suitable storage device to be used in their applications. Furthermore, with the default support the AES encryption and OPPO security features, this embedded NVMe SSD series can be quickly deployed in industrial like defense, medical, and telecom markets. Just recap before, hardware is not enough in the IoT market. We need to integrate the software together that we can provide a one-stop shopping to customer for the total solution. So for this part, we will focus on our software. SQFlash always devotes ourselves to provide a comprehensive security function. Here that you can see, depends on different applications that you have the different security function can choose. For example, user ID, flash vault, flash lock, even include a quick erase. For example, here you can see, this is a function for the flash lock. If you use our SSD on the motherboard and execute the flash lock function, then the SSD will recognize the motherboard UUID. So if you move the SSD to other motherboard, then the SSD cannot be recognized because that we need to protect the user data. And let's back the security here. Except the security function that SQFlash team developed, we also invite the ecosystem that a third party to provide their software as a McAfee and Acronis. That we hope the security function from the third party can advance our SQFlash security more complete. To ensure all above security features and third-party integration can deliver reliable protection to our valuable customers, we also started the investment to get our SQFlash proper certifications. FIX is one of the milestones which delivers the entries to government and high-end defense segments for SQFlash. It involves substantial efforts, include almost a 1-year certification cycle, strict line-by-line firmware code review, and more than 100,000 USD certification fee per model. So, the redesigned product include not only just FIPS certified internal encryption, but also apply physical anti-tamper coating to make sure the data stored in SSD is very protected. For SQRAM, the system operation is always generate heat in system from key components of CPU. But except the CPU, DRAM memory stem generate high temperature in system. In order to user to control system status well, SQRAM to check the DRAM dynamic operation information and monitor if there are any overheat problem. The alert notification can be triggered by user setting, just depends on different applications. Whole system speed information are also integrated in SQRAM tool. How the exclusive software can help our user to improve efficiency for the system integration. The session will be concluded with the slide, and here's my key takeaways for you. Through my whole presentation, the most important message I want to deliver is that SQFlash and SQRAM are incubated with the mindset of the industrial design service. We provide not only wide spectrum product selections, but also compatibility for the system level integration and building advanced security software. All these elements can help our user to select and design the proper SSD and DRAM memory into their applications. We hope we have the chance to work with you soon. Thank you.